If you are looking to stop recurrent charges on your PlayStation account, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you no longer receive unwanted charges. Step 1. Sign into your account. Start by turning on your PlayStation console or accessing the PlayStation website. Sign into your account using your PlayStation Network PSN credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Management. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu on your console or click on your profile icon on the website. Look for Account Management or Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Access subscriptions. In the Account Management section, find and select Subscriptions. This will display a list of all active subscriptions linked to your account, including PlayStation Plus, game subscriptions, and any other recurring services. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Browse through your active subscriptions and select the one you wish to cancel. You will see details about the subscription, including the renewal date and payment information. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you will no longer be charged for the cancelled subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for help.